السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم جنڈر اسٹڈیز کے موسٹ امپورٹنٹ جو 100 MCQs ہیں وہ پڑھیں گے، جو 8 اگست 2026 کو سوشل ویلفیئر اینڈ بیت المال کا پیپر کنڈکٹ ہونا ہے۔ اس میں ایک سبجیکٹ جنڈر اسٹڈیز کا بھی ہے جہاں سے MCQs آئیں گے۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم جنڈر اسٹڈیز کے 100 موسٹ امپورٹنٹ MCQs ریوائز کریں گے جو آپ نے پیپر سے پہلے لازمی پڑھنے ہیں۔ آپ لوگوں میں سے جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی سلیبس میں جتنے بھی سبجیکٹس انکلوڈڈ ہیں، جن میں سوشیالوجی ہے، سوشل ورک، جنڈر اسٹڈیز، وومن اسٹڈیز، اینتھروپولوجی، رورل سوشیالوجی، ان تمام سبجیکٹس کے 1 لائنرز چاہیے ہوں سلیبس کے اکارڈنگ، تو واٹس ایپ نمبر آپ کو اسکرین پر شو ہو رہا ہے، اس پر کانٹیکٹ کر کے آپ سیمپل ریکویسٹ کر سکتے ہیں۔ واٹس ایپ پر ہی سر آپ کو سیمپل کے ساتھ ساتھ پیمنٹ ڈیٹیلز وغیرہ بھی پرووائڈ کر دیں گے۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں آج کی اس ویڈیو کو۔ فرسٹ MCQs ہے: فرسٹ ویو آف فیمنزم primarily focused on women's right to vote, also known as suffrage movement. The term intersectionality was coined in 1989 by Kimberl Crenshaw. The book A Vindication of the Rights of Women 1792 was written by Mary Wollstonecraft. Second wave feminism gained major momentum during the 1960s to 70s. Famous slogan "The personal is political" was popularized by Carol Hanisch. The book The Second Sex 1949 was written by Simon D. Beauvoir. Third wave of feminism began in the early 1990s. The term gender identity was originally coined by Robert Stoller. The concept of performative gender was introduced by Judith Butler. The book The Feminist Mystique 1963 was written by Betty Friedan. Radical feminism identifies patriarchy as the primary root cause of women's oppression. Marxist feminism attributes women's oppression mainly to capitalism and private property. Socialist feminism combines the perspectives of radical feminism and Marxist feminism. The term ecofeminism was coined in 1974 by Francoise Dionne. Fourth wave feminism is characterized by its focus on sexual harassment and the use of digital media or social networks. He for She is a global solidarity movement for gender equality launched by UN Women. The distinction between sex, that is biological, and gender, that is social, was systematically popularized by Anne Oakley. Biological characteristics define a person's sex. Socially constructed roles and behaviors define a person's gender. Queer theory challenges fixed categories of gender and sexuality. WID stands for Women in Development. WAD stands for Women and Development. GAD stands for Gender and Development. The WID approach emerged in the early 1970s. WAD approach is rooted in the dependency theory. The GAD approach focuses on social relations between men and women. The concept of practical gender needs addresses immediate needs like water, health, and shelter. Strategic gender needs aim at overcoming gender subordination and inequality. The Gender Empowerment Measure was introduced by the UNDP in 1995. The Gender Development Index measures gender gaps in human development achievements. The capability approach to gender development was primarily developed by Amartya Sen and Martha Nussbaum. The division of labor where women perform unpaid domestic work and men engage in paid public work is called sexual division of labor. The term glass ceiling refers to the unacknowledged barrier to career advancement for women. The sticky floor effect describes women stuck in low paying, low mobility jobs. Gender budgeting refers to preparing budgets with a focus on gender disaggregated impacts. The triple role of women includes reproductive, productive, and community management roles. The Moser gender planning framework was created by Caroline Moser. The Harvard Analytical Framework is also known as Gender Roles Framework. Feminization of poverty refers to the trend where women represent a disproportionate percentage of the world's poor. CEDAW stands for Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. CEDAW was adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1979. CEDAW entered into force in the year 1981. First World Conference on Women was held in 1975 in Mexico City. Second World Conference on Women was held in 1980 in Copenhagen. Third World Conference on Women was held in 1985 in Nairobi. Fourth World Conference on Women was held in 1995 in Beijing. The UN declared the years 1976 to 1985 as Decade for Women. Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) dedicated to gender equality is SDG 5. UN Security Council Resolution 1325 adopted in 2000 focuses on women, peace and security. The International Women's Day is observed globally on 8th of March. International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed on 25th of November. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted in 1948. The CSW stands for Commission on Status of Women. CSW was established by the UN Economic and Social Council in 1946. UN Women was created in the year 2010. The Beijing Platform for Action identified 12 critical areas of concern. Pakistan ratified CEDAW in the year 1996. Pakistan signed CEDAW with a general declaration regarding its constitution. The Global Gender Gap Report is published annually by the World Economic Forum (WEF). All Pakistan Women's Association was founded in 1949 by Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. The Muslim Family Laws Ordinance in Pakistan was promulgated in 1961. The Hudud Ordinances were enacted in Pakistan during the regime of General Zia-ul Haq in 1979. The Women's Action Forum (WAF) was established in Pakistan in the year 1981. The Protection of Women Criminal Laws Amendment Act was passed in Pakistan in 2006. The Protection Against Harassment of Women at Workplace Act was enacted in 2010. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2011 in Pakistan dealt with offences related to acid throwing. The Anti-Honor Killing Act was passed by the Parliament of Pakistan in 2016. The Transgender Person Protection of Rights Act was passed in Pakistan in 2018. National Commission on the Status of Women in Pakistan was established in 2000. First Women Bank Limited in Pakistan was established in 1989. Benazir Income Support Program was launched in Pakistan in 2008. Under the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, non-discrimination on the basis of sex alone is guaranteed in Article 25, subsection 2. Article 25(3) of Pakistan Constitution allows the state to make special provisions for protection of women and children. Minimum age of marriage for females under the Punjab Child Marriage Restraint Amendment Act 2015 is 16 years and 18 years in Sindh. In Pakistan, National Assembly seats reserved for women are 60. Senate of Pakistan reserves 17 seats for women. Provincial Assembly of Punjab reserves 66 seats for women. The khula right of a Muslim woman is judicially recognized under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939. The Domestic Violence Prevention Bill in Punjab is titled Punjab Protection of Women Against Violence Act 2016. The concept of androgyny refers to the combination of masculine and feminine characteristics. The term patriarchy literally means rule of the father. The book Sexual Politics 1970 was written by Kate Millett. Gynocentrism refers to a dominant focus on women's point of view or needs. The electrocomplex concept in psychoanalysis was proposed by Carl Jung. According to Freud, gender identification occurs primarily during the phallic stage. The term maternal wall refers to workplace discrimination faced by working mothers. Gender hegemony or hegemonic masculinity was conceptualized by R. W. Connell. The belief that gender differences are biologically determined is called biological determinism. The concept of gender role socialization states that gender roles are learned through socialization agents, that is, family, school, media. Matriarchy refers to a social system in which woman holds primary power. The term misogyny means hatred or prejudice against women. Misandry refers to hatred or prejudice against men. Gender blindness refers to failure to recognize that roles and responsibilities are gender specific. Gender parity is a statistical measure that provides a numerical value of female to male ratio. The concept of double burden refers to working women handling both paid employment and unpaid domestic work. Pink collar jobs traditionally refers to low paying service sector jobs held mostly by women. The first country to grant women the right to vote was New Zealand in 1893. First woman prime minister in the Muslim world was Benazir Bhutto from Pakistan in 1988. The first woman speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan was Fahmida Mirza in 2008.